Namaskaram everyone. So I'm just trying out something. I want to show you guys how to find Isha Hatha Yoga teachers. Like a lot of people are asking me for programs, how to attend Arangamardana, Suryakriya, Buddha Shuddhi. I just want to show you an easy way of finding Isha Hatha Yoga teachers in your area. So let me share my screen. Okay, I'll go to my Google Chrome. I hope this is being recorded. Okay, so you go to your Google page and type Isha Hatha Yoga Teacher Finder. Okay, you click that. Let's see what's happening. Da, 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 da. Okay, you see the first link. Click on that. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. The net is a bit slow, that's why it's taking some time. So sorry guys, we'll have to wait. You guys have to bear with my music. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Oh, why is it taking so much time? That's okay. Okay, so the page will open up. Okay, so here you can see teachers in your area. Click on that. And then all the teachers pop up, and here you can search for whichever city you want. Sorry, where is it going? Oh, there's a magazine. Okay, yeah. So here you type. Let me type in Pune. So Pune and enter. As you can see, there Pune comes. Any country in the world you can type. Let's type Dubai. Let's type Dubai. Let's see if there are some. Yes, there are the Dubai teachers. So as you can see, you can contact them, which all are the practices, everything are shown. So that's how it is. So hope you guys have a great time. Yeah. So let me stop my screen sharing. Come back to the screen. So hope you guys have a great time. Take care of yourself. Do check out my podcast. Yeah, link in the description, guys. Leave a like, dislike, whatever it is. Leave a comment also if you like this video. Namaskaram.